learn the experiment verification of truth table of D flip-flop using IC 7474. D, as I have already explained you, D may be data or delay. So IC 7474, it is 14 pin IC. 14 pin IC, and since from the beginning I am telling you that this is DIP package, dual line package, means if it is 14 pin, 14 by 2 is 7 towards the left side and 7 towards the right side. So here you can clearly visualize that 1 to 7 is towards the left side and 8 to 14 is towards the right side. So each terminal has some particular value for it. So 1, here you have to apply the clear, at 2 you have to apply the input, at 3 you have to apply the clock, at 4 you have to apply the preset, at 5 you have to apply the output, at 6 you have to apply the output. But difference between these two is these are the complement of each other. 7th is for the ground. Here you can visualize that in single IC it contains 2 flip-flops. This is for D1 and this is for D2. This is for D2. So here you will get 8 for D2's output Q2 bar. 9 is D2's output Q2. These are complement of each other. 10 number is for the preset of D2. 11 is for the clock of D2. 12 is for the clock of input of the D2. And 13 is for the clear of D2. And VCC is applied at the terminal number 14. Now we have to verify the truth table. Truth table, there is an input. We know that D flip-flop, whatever the input we will give, that will remain same. If 0 is the input, output is 0. Q bar is a complement of Q. So here you will get 1. If 1 is in the input, you will get the output is 1 and this will be 0. So here 0 stands for reset and 1 stands for set. Rest I will explain it on the digital breadboard by using the IC 7474. Here you can see that this is the digital breadboard. This is the digital breadboard. Here we have applied the IC. It is 14 pin. As I have already told you that there is a 14 pin, 7 pins towards one side and 7 pins towards another side. So here you can see that. Here you can see that one number and there is a clear. So here we are applying 5 and 6 number. There is a output 5 and 6 number. So there is a D and G is for the 5 and 6 correspondingly. Input is applied at the pin number 2. Input is applied at the pin number 2. And clock is applied at the pin number 3. So this is for the clock. Pulsar is used there. So whenever we have to apply the clock, this has to be pressed like this. This has to be pressed like this. Then clock will be applied. Now we will perform the truth table of this D flip-flop. First of all, turn it on. I have told you number of times that towards left side that is off, towards right side that is on. Off stands for 0, on stands for 1. So at present, so there is a value, input is 0. So input is 0, output will remain 0. So D stands for Q, that will remain 0. And G stands for Q bar, 0's bar is 1. So that's why these will be the complement of each other. So LED is illuminated at the point G, no LED will be illuminated at the point D. Now we have to apply the clock first, and after that we have to apply its value, then we have to apply the clock. So here you will get the D is 1 and clock has been applied, so value of at the output Q will be 1 and Q bar will be 0. If you want that, I can repeat it for you again. So let us say this is 0, here you will get Q bar is 1 and Q is 0. Amp it is 1, no clock has to be applied. You will find that this will be D is 1 and G is 0. So in this, I hope that you have understood the concept of this D flip-flop. For any sort of query, feel free to call me or message me. Thank you, dear students. Thank you.